So, we've established everyone's a reluctant generational envoy. Now what? Let's connect that to a concept we'll call communication success. And for our purposes today, the customer is whoever you're trying to communicate with. Your boss, your direct report, your project partner from another department. Success is when they don't just hear your words, but understand your intent and feel respected in the process. This isn't a one-way street. It's not the sole responsibility of the millennial to adapt to the Gen X director, nor is it on the boomer to learn every new messaging app. Real sustainable communications success is an all-skate. Everyone's on the floor, and everyone is responsible for keeping the thing moving forward without a pileup. Let's break it down by a hypothetical team. Let's say you've got your project lead, a Gen Xer who values autonomy and hates micromanagement. They set the tone. If they only communicate in curt, need-to-know emails, they risk alienating their millennial and Gen Z team members who thrive on context and collaborative check-ins. Their job is to create a space where different styles can coexist. Then you have your senior expert, a boomer with decades of deep knowledge. They are the keepers of critical information and institutional knowledge. But if they insist that the only valid way to discuss something is in a 1-hour scheduled meeting, they become a bottleneck for a team accustomed to rapid-fire problem-solving in a shared document or chat channel. What about the mid-career specialist, a millennial who is a master of digital collaboration? They can spin up a project board and a comms channel in minutes. But if they assume everyone is just as digitally native, they might fail to properly onboard team members who need more explicit, step-by-step guidance, leading to frustration and disengagement. And the new hire, fresh face from Gen Z? They bring new tools, new language, and a fresh perspective. They might solve a problem with a method no one else even considered. But if they don't take the time to understand the existing workflows or the communication hierarchy, their brilliant ideas might get lost in translation, perceived as naive or disruptive. Don't even get me started on Gen Alpha. Yeah, sure, they might need a guardian signature to work, but they're looking to make their mark in the world and set themselves up better than their older siblings and parents. So they'll be asking lots of annoying questions. Wait, did I say annoying? See that? My bias is showing. So you see the pattern? Communication success happens when every single one of these team members makes an effort. It's when the project lead schedules optional, brief check-ins. It's when the senior expert agrees to try a shared doc for feedback. It's when the millennial creates a short tutorial for the new tool, and when the new hire asks, "What's the best way to share this idea with you?" It's not about abandoning your preferred methods. It's about developing situational fluency. It's an all-hands-on-deck mindset, where the goal isn't personal comfort, but collective understanding. Because when the customer wins, when the message lands perfectly, the whole team wins.